Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Design to Future. In this video, I'm gonna explain you types of sketches in Solidworks. So let's get started. This is Akash and you're watching my YouTube channel Design to Future. So you can see I have already opened Solidworks and you have to select any plane. Just draw some sketches. So first of all, you have to explain there are three types of sketches in Solidworks. First one is underdefined sketches, second one is fully defined sketches, and third one is overdefined sketches. Yes friends. So let's talk about what is underdefined sketches. So let's have a draw a circle on the screen. I have to draw anywhere on the screen, not from the center point, just click on anywhere on the screen. I have drawn the circle. So this is underdefined sketches. How you can see this is underdefined sketches? Just see on the bottom of the software where you can see underdefined option is written there. Because there are no fixed dimension and no fixed position of these sketches. It means both constraints are arbitrary. It can be anything. How it can be anything? Just click on the circle and move your mouse. So you can see you can change the dimension anywhere, and also you can place the position anywhere on the screen. Both are arbitrary, so nothing is fixed. So let's fix this position. I'll select the center point and drop on the center of the coordinate. So you can see the position of the circle is fixed right now. You can't change. You can see if I try to drag this circle point, then you can see notification is shown. Can't drag, the selected item is fixed. Okay, but it is still underdefined. Why? Still the dimension is not fixed. So I'll select the smart dimension, click on the circle, and I'll fill any kind of dimensions, whatever. Okay, so you can see the circle has been changed into black color. The previous one was blue color, and the underdefined sketches are always in blue color, and fully defined sketches are always in black color. So you can see it can be shown fully defined. It means the circle is completely fully defined. It means this object is fully defined sketch. So always do remember, always we require fully defined sketches if you are drawing any kind of 2D or 3D drawings. Okay, there are many significance of the fully defined sketches. So I'll explain you after explaining the third type of sketches. So let's go ahead. What is overdefined sketches? By the name you can understand when we will able to provide multiple relations on the object or multiple dimensions on the same object, then object has been over, or it has over commands. It means the object has been over defined sketches. How? Let's do again. I want to fix this circle. It means the circle is already fixed because there is we are not able to change the dimension, and we are also not able to change the position. Okay, but again I want to fix it. So just click on the circle, and here you can see there are multiple types of options are representing. The first option is called make fix. So I'll put again make fix. Then you can see object has been changed into yellow color. So you can also see there is again warning is showing over defined. It means object is already fully defined. Why I want to put again relations on the objects? So we don't need over defined sketches to remember. We always require fully defined sketches, not underdefined, not over defined. Okay, so let's talk about why I am talking like that. Why we require only fully defined sketches? Just suppose these sketches are acting like a skeleton of your body. I'm just giving an example. So just imagine this sketch is working like a skeleton of the body, and once you will convert into 3D, then 3D bodies are works like a muscles. So if your skeleton is not fixed, means it is not fixed on the joints, it is not fixed on any kind of positions, and I'll put the muscles over it, and if I'll put a load, or if we'll try to put multiple kind of supports or multiple kind of loads on that body, the body can't be sustain that load. It could be failure. That's where we required fully defined sketches. So if our skeleton, our sketches has been fixed from every position with dimension, and I'll put muscles like 3D convert into 3D. Then if I'll do for simulation, like if I'll try to analysis on the body, then the body can be able to sustain that load. So that's why we require fully defined sketches. Hope this lecture would be very helpful for you, and hope you also understood what is underdefined, fully defined, and overdefined sketches. So from today, once you try to draw 2D sketches or 3D drawings, then always try to convert into fully defined sketches. Or if sometimes if your geometry is complex, so don't worry if some sketches are not in fully defined. Some objects are always left into underdefined, so don't worry, leave it. And you can also use another command. It's called fully defined sketches. It means, just suppose I'm deleting this sketches, I'm deleting this dimension. Okay, I'm not providing the dimension. Okay, so but one constraint, which means the position is fixed, but I'm not giving the dimension. Then I'll try to convert into fully defined sketches by this command. So click on fully defined sketch. Okay, and just select the object and calculate. Then you can see the dimension is already generated for this object to make it fully defined. So if your geometry has left some sketches in underdefined, so just click this option fully defined and select those sketches and click on calculate option. Then your object has been converted into fully defined sketches. Hope this video would be helpful for you. If you have any doubt related to types of sketches in SolidWorks, do let us know, and keep comment in comment box. And if you have any query related to this topic, or if you want to request any kind of other type of queries, then also comment in comment box. And if you are new on my channel, please hit the subscribe button and share with your loving friends. So thank you for watching this video, friends.